friends, welcome back. As you can see, I've installed the light bar in this PC and I'm going to demonstrate the light bar, how to install and what to do. Also, there was a giveaway contest of this light bar and we have done that, and one of our lucky winner has won this light bar. So now I'm going to demonstrate this light bar, so let's get started. So first I'll talk about the feature of this light bar. The feature are, it is having a magnetic strip from behind, and there are around 18 LEDs which are very high power, which is sufficient to light up your entire cabinet. You can install multiple of them if you want, but a single light bar can make and glow your cabinet very beautifully. So if you want to install this light bar, nothing to do, just stick it on your steel chassis. And if you don't have a steel chassis, if it is a plastic, or if you want to stick it over here, there is one more option available with this light bar, that is direct stick on. So you have a two-way tape over there, just remove the sticker and stick it wherever you want. So this is the magnetic version I am holding. So I'm going to install this light bar, and for that you have to do nothing. Simply place the light bar wherever you want, and that's it. It's very simple. The cable, as you can see, is completely sleeved so that no problem of the wire. Even if it is seen, it looks very good. And you can do easy cable management with the sleeved cables. So now I'm going to install it over here. This is the 4-pin connector. You have to just put it in your motherboard. RGB header. So I've installed it and I'm having the cable here. So, and this 4-pin just align with the 12 volt with the arrow and install the light bar. This is how you're going to install the light bar, and I'll start the machine and show you how it looks. So the light bar is installed. It's pretty easy and simple to install the light bar, and once you start the machine, it starts glowing. So you can use ASUS software, that is Aura or MSI Mystic Sync or AceRock. Again, there is the software given. So every company RGB header motherboard is having their own software. You can control this light bar with any of this software, and we'll be also coming up with the controllers for this light bar, so that even if you don't have an RGB motherboard, RGB header included motherboard, you can use the controller and use this light bar. So this is how it looks. It is completely transforming the looks of your cabinet. If you want to choose the single color, you can choose it. You can change it from the software, whichever software you are using, and this is how it looks. That was all about the light bar which we have introduced. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please comment below about the light bar. Do subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.